In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a tarpaulin layout in Canva. So let's dive in and get started by heading over to the Canva website. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is click on the Login button. This will prompt you to sign in with your credentials. If you already have a Canva account, simply proceed by clicking Continue. This step will lead you to a page where you can choose your Google account or the method you use to log in. Select your account, and again, you'll want to click Continue to proceed and get into your Canva dashboard. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll notice a variety of options. Click on the Create button to begin designing. Since we're making a tarpaulin, we'll start by typing banner into the search bar. This is because tarpaulins and banners share the common trait of being large, ensuring they have plenty of visibility. After typing banner, you'll see a range of size options. For today's tutorial, let's choose the landscape size, which is typically ideal for tarpaulins because of its width and readability. Once you've selected the size, you'll move to choose a template. Browsing through Canva's extensive library, you'll find numerous pre-designed templates. The beauty of Canva is that these templates give you a solid starting point. However, you have complete freedom to personalize it to suit your taste or brand requirements. If you're feeling particularly creative, you might even want to start from scratch by bypassing the templates altogether and crafting your own design. But don't worry if you're not sure where to start. Selecting a template can give you the inspiration you need. After choosing or crafting your template, it's time to personalize the elements to fit your vision. You can modify the text, adjust fonts, change colors, and even upload your own images or illustrations to make sure the design reflects the theme or message you want to convey. Don't forget to make use of Canva's various design tools, which can help you align objects, add overlays, or enhance text readability with shadows and outlines. If you're going for a professional touch, focus on consistent sizing and spacing. This will ensure that your tarpaulin not only catches the eye, but also maintains clarity and impact from a distance. When you're happy with your tarpaulin design, review all elements for alignment and accuracy. Then you can download it by clicking the download button at the top right corner, choosing your preferred format. And that's it. You now know how to create a stunning tarpaulin layout in Canva that can serve a wide array of purposes, whether it's for business advertising or a special event. Thank you for following along, and happy designing!